What if you could shop the entire world without leaving your couch? Temu makes this possible and affordable. This incredible platform brings global shopping to your fingertips. Whether searching for trending items or timeless classics, Temu's vast inventory has you covered. Despite millions of products, finding what you need is easy thanks to smart categorization. Browse by category, search keywords, or explore curated collections. Each product page provides comprehensive information, including photos, specifications, and honest reviews from verified buyers. This transparency builds trust, ensuring you're making right choices. Temu understands great shopping goes beyond purchasing. It's about the journey. That's why they created seamless platform working across devices. Shop from phone while commuting, tablet while relaxing, or computer while working. Customer support is responsive and helpful. The platform features FAQ section and guides for users. Ready to explore possibilities? Check description and comments for link and exclusive coupon code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on best shopping platforms, incredible deals, and money-saving opportunities.